back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Quadient. They have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor with a total of 814 reviews. Of course, the links to all 3 pages that I'm going to share today are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Quadient is hiring a senior administrator for order entry. Now, this is remote, and it does say remote for the United States, so it does look like they hire in the United States, but they do work on the Eastern time zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to see if those hours will work for you. Now, real quickly, before we dive into all of the details, on Glassdoor, because this job did not list the pay in the job description, that will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I always try to estimate and give you something to gauge off of. I could not find a order entry senior administrator, but I did find just a order entry administrator, and that looks like the salary is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $48,000 a year. But if that is an acceptable salary range for you, they are looking for someone to be the primary link in their sales, ordering, and shipping organization. You'll be responsible for data entry of manual orders and verifying and modifying the online orders. You'll be quality checking order paperwork and resolving any issues with their field partners via email and or phone. So this is mostly non-phone, but there are times if you cannot resolve issues with the paperwork through email, then you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call asking for additional information, but it's definitely not a customer service job where you're going to be tied to the phone all day. You'll accurately process hardware and software orders in their Oracle ERP system. You'll process orders within departments. You'll research and rectify their field partner order issues. You may also get cross-trained on NAGNA credit rebills and or testing, but the main job responsibilities is just checking the order paperwork and entering them into the database. Now, qualifications for this position says high school graduate, GED, or college education. So as long as you have a high school diploma or GED, you are good. They don't require the college education. Of course, you have to have working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, Siebel, and Oracle. Someone who can positively approach change of new situations. Strive to have a high level of processing accuracy, be a quick learner, and a multitasker. Now, again, they did not list pay. The estimated pay that I could find was $45,000 to $48,000. However, they do provide a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Do me a favor and leave down in the comments below any ways that you think that I can make this channel better and more helpful for you, things that you want to see changed, suggestions that you have, anything at all. I'm trying to revamp this channel to be more helpful to you finding your dream work from home job. Of course, if you're looking for something specific, leave that down below in the comments as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.